Hello students, in the previous class we learned more about the skeletons, and in this class we will know more about the human skeleton, the different bones that support the human skeleton. As you can see in the picture, you can see bones of different shape and size: the skull bone, the jaw bone, the collarbone, the elbow bone, thumb bone or the finger bones, hip bone, your ear bone, shoulder bone, ribs, the vertebra or the vertebral column, the wrist bones, your thigh bone, your kneecap, shin bone, and the toe bones. So, all these irregular shape and size bones protect or give a structure to our body from the inside and support it. Bones are generally made up of calcium. They are hard and strong. A fully grown adult has around 206 bones in its body, whereas a baby has up to 300 bones. As it grows up, all these bones fuse or join to become around 206 bones. We can see different kinds of bones in our body, like the long bones in our arms and legs, flat bones in our skull and hip, irregular bones in our vertebral column and fingers. Let us now look in detail about all these bones. First, let us look at the vertebral column. The vertebral column or the backbone, or even it's called as the spine, is made up of three different kinds of bones. One in the neck region, another in the thoracic region, and third in the lumbar region. The neck bones comprises of 7 bones. The thoracic region comprises of the 12 bones, and the remaining bones you can find in the lumbar bones are 5 bones. So total of 24 bones can be seen in your vertebral column. All are joined together and run from the end of the skull or your head until the end of your hip. These support the body and give it an erect shape. Next, moving on to the skull. The skull is a fusion of around 22 bones. These are flat bones fused together that give a shape to the face and to the head. This also protects our brain, our eyes, our nose, and our mouth. Next, moving on to the ribs. You can find these ribs in the region of chest. It protects our heart, lungs, and also gives a shape to our body. These ribs are attached to the vertebral column at the back and the shoulder bones at the top. Next, let us look into the hip bone. Hip bone is also a fusion of 3 types of flat bones: the ilium, ischium, and the pubic bones. These flat bones are similar like the skull bones. These support the hip region and also are joined to the vertebral column at the top and the leg bones at the bottom. These support our back and help us in the bending movement and the sitting position. Now moving on to the bones of the arm and the leg. The bones that you can see in the arm and legs are quite long bones. The bones of the arm are called as the humerus, which you can see in the forearm region or the upper arm region, and radius and ulna. These are 2 bones that you can find in the lower arm region. These support your hands and are joined to the shoulder and the ribs. Coming on to the leg bones. These are also long bones that you can see running through your leg. The upper leg bone is also called as the femur bone. This is the longest bone of the human body, and the shin bone, which supports your lower leg. These bones are joined to the hip bone at the top and feet bones or ankle bones at the bottom. Now let us look at the bones of the hands. Hands have 5 sets of bones: the carpals, metacarpals, proximal phalanges, intermediate phalanges and distal phalanges. The shortest bone of our body is in the hands. The fingers have the smallest bones. These are articulated, or these have grooves that help us move our fingers. Next is the shoulder bone. Shoulder bone is made up of two bones, the clavicle, which is the shoulder bone, neck bone, and scapula, that is the shoulder blade, which is found at the back. The scapula is also a flat bone. Now let us know about the ear bone. The ear bone is the smallest bone of the human body. The ear bone comprises of three small bones, the malleus, the incus and the stapes. This supports the eardrum and helps in the process of hearing. So in this session today, you learned about the human skeleton, the different bones like the flat bones of the skull and the hip, the smallest bone to be the ear bone, the longest bone to be the thigh bone or the femur, and the shortest bone to be the finger bones. Thank you.